DJI Avata 360. The future of FPV is here. What if I told you that everything you know about FPV flying is about to become obsolete? Imagine flying through a narrow canyon, flipping through a tight window, or diving off a skyscraper, but instead of being locked into a single forward-facing view, you could see everything. Behind you, above you, to your sides, all at the same time, in glorious 8K resolution. This isn't just a dream, and it's not just another minor update from DJI. This is the DJI Avata 360. For years, the drone community has been divided. You either had the high-speed, adrenaline-pumping world of FPV, or you had the creative freedom of 360-degree cameras. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. You could never have both, until now. Today, we are diving deep into the most significant leak in the history of DJI. We're talking about the hybrid monster that is set to change the way we capture the world forever. If you've ever felt the frustration of missing a shot because your drone was facing the wrong way, or if you've ever wished you could reframe your FPV dive after you've already landed, then you need to listen very closely. Because by the end of this video, you will realize that the DJI Avata 360 is the only drone you will ever need. Let's start with the why. Why now? Why would DJI risk their dominant position in the FPV market to create something so radically different? To understand that, we have to look at the current state of content creation in 2025. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are no longer satisfied with standard 4K footage. The audience wants immersion. They want to feel like they are sitting in the cockpit. But more importantly, creators want safety and flexibility. The original Avata and the Avata 2 were game changers because they made FPV accessible. But they still had one major flaw: the gimbal. No matter how good the rocksteady stabilization was, you were always a prisoner to the direction the nose of the drone was pointing. Enter the Avata 360. According to the latest insider leaks and patent filings, DJI has done the impossible. They haven't just slapped a 360 camera on top of an Avata. They have integrated a dual-sensor, 8K spherical capture system directly into the airframe. We are talking about a total field of view that literally leaves nothing out. Imagine doing a power loop. In a traditional FPV drone, you see the ground, then the sky, then the ground again. With the Avata 360, you can keep the camera locked on your subject, perhaps a mountain biker or a speeding car, while the drone itself does the flip. This is what we call infinite framing, and it's about to make every other sinew hook look like a toy from the past. But it's not just about the camera. To handle this kind of data and this kind of vision, the internal guts of the drone had to be completely redesigned. We are looking at the new O4 Plus transmission system. Imagine flying 2 miles away into a dense forest and still getting a crystal clear 120 frames per second feed in your goggles 3. The latency has been dropped to near zero levels. When you move your head using the head tracking feature, the world moves with you instantly. It's no longer like watching a screen. It's like teleporting your soul into the sky. Now, let's talk about the design. The Avata series has always been known for its sinew hook style, those protected propellers